Hey guys, this is Bradley from Main Street Customs. I thought I'd bring you a video of my Kizer collection. Well, at least part of my collection anyway. This is what I could get to without having to bring totes and everything down. There's my Mad Rat collection. I believe I'm missing 2 out of there that I could not get to. This one just came out. Well, actually, these just came out. That's Kizer's first premium Mad Rat. It's exclusive with Blade District. He did a great job on it. That Dantanium's nice. My drop bears, which I love. Got 2 more of these coming. And I don't sell out of my collection. I may trade, but I don't sell. And the knife I'm using right now to carry for my everyday carry knife is the Mini Gripper. Nitro V. Very snappy. Just a great knife. Absolute great knife. And that's a little bit of my collection. I appreciate y'all watching the video, and y'all have a great day. I will be bringing more videos. Thank you.